Hello everyone, you have the Bub031 here again, and it's now time for another review. This is actually also going to be a mail call at the same time. I'll tell you what I got. I just got these from Otter Valley. It's been something that's been on order for the last 2 years. As you can see here. So, we're going to quickly just open this up. I'll show you what it is, and then we'll move on to the review. The RS18u, number 2858 in the Auto Essential scheme. And the other unit is Trillium Railways, number 1859. So, we're going to dive into this review. I'm going to open one up for doing all the details, and we'll do the other one actually with the sounds and the layout. So, I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so now that we have the intro out of the way, let's open one of these up. Alright, so we're going to do the details on the Auto Essential unit. So we're going to show what comes in the box. So it's a little different this time. The box actually comes with a plastic sleeve, as you can see. It's a little tight to get off. That's how you know it's actually pretty secure. Open this up. So, here's what we get inside. You have your operator's manual, as you can see here. They highlighted, I guess, over the RS18 and put the RS18u for the new updated version. As well, on the inside, we have the exploded parts diagram, as you can see here, or if you need parts or anything like that. And a lot of stickers, as you can see here. All the instructions, how to operate. Actually comes with a nice picture of the RS18u. Alright. So here's the foam. Oh, like, gotta love that new fresh locomotive smell when it comes right out of the package. No extra bits, as you can see. That's pretty much it. And it's in there pretty good. Alright. So, I'll take it out of the cradle, off screen, and then we'll go for the details from there. Okay, so I got the unit in hand here, and we're going to basically do a complete all-around detailed review of this locomotive. Alright, so as you can see on the front, you can see where the LEDs are in the nose and the ditch lights. They're all separated LEDs. You got independently applied hoses, Canadian plow, the handbrake wheel, which is separately applied, and it's actually, that's how they were in real life, which is awesome to see. And as you can see, the engineer's window and where the conductor sits, different style windows, that was actually proper on the unit. We're going to move on to the left side here, the conductor side. And as you can see, you got independently applied brake chain here. You can actually see inside the locomotive cab. Oh, my hands are a little bit greasy, but you could see that you could see inside the actual cab for all the independent applied parts. Handrails are metal. You can feel that it is very, very rigid. Of course, you got your 3 class lights up top. I was looking. The number boards do light up on one of the functions. all independently applied parts. You got the proper 3-chime horn on top, the right fuel tank, auto essential as a side, very crisp lettering. On the back, you can see the rear light with LEDs as well. As well, it also has the rear class lights. You can see the MU receptacle there. The independently applied parts on this as well. So far, great little unit. All the parts all the handrails and everything independently applied. You can actually see the fan inside the actual grill just on top of the locomotive. Moving to the engineer's side, you can see the other intake for the fuel. So it's intake on both sides. Another applied brake chain, DeFasco trucks. And you can actually see the engineer's control stand, and apparently it lights up. We will confirm to make sure of that once we put it on the track and go through the lights and the functions. But all in all, I can't wait. So we're going to go to the test track with the other unit. This is a very beautiful unit, I'll tell you that right now. But we will be going to the test track with the other unit, testing the lights and sounds, and a little bit of a run by. And after that, we're going to basically wrap up this review. Alright guys, so we're now down here at Trains by Perry's layout. Say hi, Perry.
Hey guys.
So, we now have the RS18u by Trillium Railways out, the Otter Valley Special, and we're going to go through the sound functions and a run by. So, we're going to turn on the power, which is F8. As you can also see, the track inspection lights are already on as well. So as soon as you put this locomotive on the layout, it lights up. We're also going to turn it around because you can actually see the control stand after. We'll do that quick after there once we go through the sounds and all that. All right, so we're going to put on 0, which is the headlight. And from the side here, it's not really that bright, but when you look at it head on, it is really bright. F6 is the ditch lights. Those are on. F1 is the bell. It's a beautiful bell. Hey?
Yeah, not bad. Let's stop.
Yeah. Okay. F2 is the horn. Gotta love that ESU.
I like that.
F3 is flange squeal. That's probably only when the locomotive is moving. So we won't move it just yet. Of course, F4 is also dynamic brake, so that's probably only going to engage when we start moving the locomotive.
There it is.
Oh, there we go. It's actually going right now. So F5 is the Doppler horn. A little bit of, the volume is a little loud. We'll probably have to turn that down after. A little bit of scratchy I heard from that, but all in all, pretty good so far. So we have the ditch lights already on. F7 is to dim the headlight. And it also turns the ditch lights off.
Okay, cool.
F9 is drive hold, which is on the move, basically. That way it's holding at a different area, but then it's also... You can actually basically notch up and down while pulling a heavy load. You got F10, which is the brake, which we're not moving it right now. F11 is the class lights. And as you can see, you got white, so you got to cycle through it. And then off. Hit it again. We got green, a very bright green. And we got red. So as well, there's also F12, which is switching mode. We don't have to worry about that. F14 is head end power. F16 would be the steam generator. F17 is the brake wheel to ratchet it. F18 turns off the ground lights. F19 turns off the number board. And F20 turns off the splitter valve. All right, so we're going to start basically bringing the train out. And as well, we'll turn it around just to show you the actual control stand light right after. So take us out, Perry.
Right, here we go.
And hold it there. As you can see, the control stand's lit up right inside. Okay, so once we put it in reverse mode, we'll see that the lights will come on. As you can see. And as well, the class lights are directional. So if we hit F11 now, we should be seeing the class lights here in the rear go off. And as you can see, there's white, green, and red. Definitely Rapido hit it out of the park, especially with this RS18u unit. And I can't wait to run these here at the layout as well. All right, we're going to do a quick run by, and then we'll go back with both units in the boxes and just finish up the video there. And that's our few run-bys there, everyone. Thanks a lot, Perry, for letting us come to your layout and letting us try this bad boy out.
No problem. Anytime.
All right, so we're going to wrap this video up. Rapido hit it out of the park with these units, big time. I want to thank them. Usually this goes for about $359, $369 MSRP, but definitely want to thank OVR for the price. I got mine from their shops at $304.99 for each locomotive, and this is also a special run from Otter Valley as well, so try and get your hands on it as soon as possible before they sell out, because apparently they are going fast. All right, so that's going to be it for this video, everyone. Thank you very much, Perry, for letting us run 1859 on your layout to do the sound. Thank you, Otter Valley, for the price for both these locomotives. And thank you, Rapido Trains, for putting this product out. Thank you all for watching this review, everyone. Don't worry, there will always be more to come, but that's going to be it for now. And as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.